Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix messages not sending on Facebook Messenger. So when you're trying to send messages to someone and basically it's just not sending that message, that other person is just not receiving your message, and in this video I found a lot of ways in order to actually fix this. So we're going to just go and basically show all of those fixes in this video, starting with fix number 1, which is going to be really easy. All you need to do is make sure that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have a proper Wi-Fi connection, if your Wi-Fi is really slow, then this could cause issues with Facebook or Messenger, basically not receiving your actual message, and they will not be able to send it out to the person you're trying to send it to. So make sure that you always have proper Wi-Fi connection. Now that if that's still not working, you have checked your Wi-Fi, then the second thing I would recommend trying is heading over to this website called Detector, just like this. And once you've done that, go to the search bar and simply type in Messenger. Just like this, because we're going to check to see if maybe the servers are just down. And basically, if the servers are down, then this basically means that you will not be able to send messages. So just check if there are any crazy spikes. We can currently see there are no spikes at all, meaning that Facebook Messenger is not down. Now, if basically that did not fix the issue for you, then what you can also try and do is head over to the app again, go to the top left corner of your screen at those three little stripes, then click on that settings icon right here. Once you've done that, what you need to do is click on privacy and safety, and then click on message delivery and make sure that friends of friends on Facebook is set to chats. And basically, once you've done that, what you can do is reopen the app to see if it's now working. Now, if it's still not working, what I then would recommend doing is basically just updating the app. So you can do this by heading over into the App Store like this, clicking on search, and then just simply typing in Messenger, just like this. So not Messenger, Messenger, just like this. And you're going to check to see if there's an update available for the app. If there is, make sure to update it, because maybe there's just currently a bug going on with some devices not being able to send out messages. So make sure that you update to the latest version, and this will automatically also basically force restart and automatically hard reset your entire Messenger app. Now, if it still will not fix the issue for you, then what you need to do is head over to the top left corner of your screen again at those three little stripes, click on settings, scroll down until you find report a problem, and then what you can do is make sure that shake device to report a problem is enabled. What you then need to do is go to the chat where you will be able to send a message, but it's not working, and just shake your device. So that's currently what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to shake my device. Once you've done that, click on report problem, just like this. Click on include, and what you then need to do is make sure to just basically describe what is currently not working over on the Messenger app, and I would recommend including chat. And basically, once you've done that, Facebook or Messenger will basically try to fix that issue immediately for you on your account itself. So that's a really cool way in order to actually try to get that issue fixed. Now, if you don't want to wait that long, because it will take a few days for them to get back to you, then what you can also try and do is basically clear the cache of your Messenger app. So in order to do that, head over to settings on your iPhone like this, then clicking on general, iPhone storage, wait till it's loaded, and then scroll down till you find the Messenger app. So I'm going to quickly find it. I have to see where it is. So let me quickly find it right here. Alright, so I found it. It's right here. Just click on it and then click on offload app. By doing this, you will basically clear the cache of your Messenger app and then just reinstall it back again using this exact same page. And then everything will still be there. All your chats will still be there. And it's basically just a clear cache over on the Messenger app, and it will hard reset the app as well. Now, if you've done that and it's still not working, then basically the only option you have left is either wait for Facebook or Messenger to get back to you, or just simply force restart your phone. So that was also what you can do. On iPhone, what you can do is simply quickly press the volume up button, then quickly press the volume down button and hold the power button till your entire phone goes black. Keep holding that power button till that Apple logo appears again, and then immediately let go of the power button. And basically, once you've done that, you have force restarted your entire iPhone. And basically, that sometimes fixes a lot of issues you are having with the Messenger app. And that are basically all of the fixes I found for you. So if you learned something from this video and this video helped you, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.